WeChat should not only be treated as a mobile application, but as an actual operation system. In this operation system, many sub-applications are installed, and they can connect with the GPS, with the camera, with the microphone, with the accelerometer. And they can use the specific services, such as the payment services. So the question is this: why is WeChat so successful and is able to utilize actual purchases on the platform and actual interaction with the physical world? While if we look at the Facebook messengers and other messengers, we see less interaction with the actual world. For example, if you have a business on Facebook Messenger, then you could offer a coupon to the users, and then the users would need to copy this coupon, go to the website of the company, enter this coupon, register, sign in, choose the product, enter the coupon, and pay for it. On WeChat, you just click the coupon and you have it in your wallet and you can immediately purchase stuff. This is what makes the difference in between WeChat and the other messengers. It's the wet dream of all messengers, and it's utilize a combination of the actual physical world, the mobile applications, and humans. And it's not just that you could say, oh yes, in China it's really common to use chat and here it won't work. No, because the thing is this: once you focus on the customer, and this is what WeChat have done, and you understand their needs, then you can tweak the product for their needs. And I have a great example on this. Before WeChat was WeChat, then the very same company, the Tencent company, had another chat application called QQ. And in this chat application, it was not as WeChat. You could not do all the things that you could do. So it's not that the company Tencent said, okay, this is the roadmap, this is what we're going to do. They had a previous chat product that did not have anything to do with WeChat. And what they did is they saw the potential with chat applications, and so they took a completely new team that was not built out of the team that has already built the previous QQ application, and this completely new team built this whole platform. Now, the components of this platform are, of course, that you can install sub-applications on this platform. So if you are a developer that wants to develop an app for WeChat, so just think of it, you are not limited by iPhone. You do not have to comply really to the API of iPhone. So you don't need to complex yourself with, oh, I'm going to develop this application both for iPhone OS and then also for Android OS, and then maybe I need also for web and then for Facebook Messenger. No, you just completely develop this application or web application for WeChat. And then you can install it both on a iPhone and Android. So this means that WeChat is more of an operation system that you develop applications within. And there are the internal verified accounts that they have the access to the other components. So all the components in WeChat are the WeChat application that you have, then the sub-applications that developers develop. Then you have the access to the specific APIs once you have an approved application or an approved account, such as the wallet, the payments, and then utilizing the whole ecosystem of the mobile phone, the GPS, the camera, the microphone, the accelerometer. You utilize this all. So it's more of an operation system that utilizes everything. And then everything can move on seamlessly in between the payments, the microphone, the accelerometer to actual shops. You scan barcodes, you get coupons, you get to communicate, you can schedule appointments with people. So it's a whole ecosystem. So this is the brilliant thing. The brilliant thing is that they did not take chat and then enable to send forth and back text messages, maybe with the likes and such icons. They took the chat, which is the main, let's be fair about it. Chat is the main communication tool that humans use to interact one with another. We talk to one to another. So chat is the basic API. Chat is the API in between humans. So they took the chat, which is the API in between humans, enabled other developers, which are also humans, by the way, to create sub-applications for this chat application. Then they integrated a wallet, so each person can have its own wallet, and of course with all the safety mechanism and security that WeChat provides. Then you utilize also the camera to scan barcodes. Then you are able to connect to all the stores, and then developers can come into the platform, into this OS, create all their applications to actually integrate with the world. What we can learn from this is when you take a basic API that already resides between people, such as the chat, people talk one to another, and then you take it into a platform, a mobile phone, and the mobile phone can see with its camera, it can feel movement with its accelerometer, it can hear with the microphone, and it can also pay with its wallet. So the wallet and the mobile is like a little helper that you have, and this little helper that can see, can hear, can know its place with the GPS, you integrate with the API of humans, which is chat. Then you allow other humans to extend this API in between humans. So I can send you a coupon, you can buy something for me, and you get a blown away application, which is an actual OS that everybody can use and pay for, and is super helpful for human beings.